they see lip service, you know, and so we have the bad things continuing to happen. Everyone's participating in it. They're looking around, they're seeing no one is reacting. And then they're looking for social proof. And they're looking for the mirror neurons to follow. And what they get steered the wrong direction in this situation, especially if they're plugged into the mainstream media. So that's a big thing. And then in tandem with this is schooling. You know, we want people to be like schools of fish and move all together. Schooling, public schooling. It's, you know, this is the analysis, deconstructionism, you know, and we're very good at breaking things apart in the lower orders of cognition. But as we travel upward, those things either don't get reached in school or just get omitted. So we end up having people have analysis paralysis because they get so good at analyzing in schools, and they get told to stop and move on after they analyze. They never take action, never do positive, beneficial, regenerative things in their situation, that we tend to build this skill of analyzing and planning and then doing nothing. And you probably have seen people in your life who suffer from this. And it's a habit that's been created. And if you just start building the opposite of it and start building things that become real, even if it's small projects, you start doing that, you build this competency and confidence that follows the competency-confidence loop, and you create that reality. Now, because it's a habit. Now, they also look to authority. And so they're recommending like voting, you know what I mean? Like that's the drawdown book, you know, it's like vote and buy, and then there's like a small section in the back where there's action. And you don't really get to it until there. It feels very disempowering the way it's set up. So, you know, I'm really about empowering people and giving them the actual information. So they're looking to authority, they're asking to buy a solution because it's quick and it's easy and it's all to pass off responsibility. And it all disempowers, because when you give away responsibility, you're giving away your power to exercise choice and stewardship over that. So what can we do? Well, we can take responsibility. We can live regeneratively, and we can unplug and get empowered. So we gotta unplug from the grid. We gotta unplug from the mainstream media. We gotta unplug from their narrative of scarcity, of otherness, of disconnectedness from nature. We need to plug in and get empowered by the true narrative that we are regenerative beings, that we've had a compostable culture for 95% of our existence with this skull, this palate, and this body type. And we can get back to our real nature and start living regeneratively again. The regenerative future is positive, it's possible, it's action-based, it's regenerative, it's ethical, and it's partnered and rooted in nature, in nature's systems. But it doesn't come without work, it doesn't come without change. And the reality is, though it's scary, though it sounds intimidating, so for some people it seems inconceivable, but the reality is it's going to be joyous, it's going to be meaningful and rewarding, and it's going to be inspiring and hopeful. So are you ready? Are you willing to join us in the healing of ourselves and our world? I hope you are. All right, I'm Matt Powers. Grow abundantly, learn daily, and live regeneratively.